The Miami-Dade County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro. Let's take a closer look at the Miami-Dade County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court is located at 73 West Flagler Street on the second floor of the Miami-Dade County Courthouse. It's a prominent building, easy to locate as you can see from this map. With any time you're going to court, give yourself plenty of time to leave your house, go to the building, find yourself a convenient parking space, make your way through security, locate your courtroom, and then take a deep breath. We understand that probate-related matters can be really emotionally charged. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court is a secured facility. Imagine entering into an airport and expecting the same level of security that you'd experience there. Most people realize what items can or cannot be brought into a courthouse, but some items may not be really apparent. And in fact, it's quite frustrating when you park your car, walk all the way to the courtroom, get to the security line, only to be told that something in your pocket or your purse is a prohibited item. For example, those little aerosol sprays for breath mint or deodorant, not proper. Any alcohol or booze, now I don't expect people to be bringing big bottles of booze into the courtroom, but they're prohibited, as well as matches, lighters, and flammable items. In addition, an interesting one is large belt buckles. Now, I don't think most people would realize that if they get dressed up with a big buckle, that they'd be prohibited from entering into court, as well as some miscellaneous items that may not be all that clear before you enter into the courtroom. Typically, we see this with people who have files or nail clippers or Swiss Army knives attached to their keys. So be mindful. Before you get out of your car, check to make sure you have nothing that may be prohibited that would get you in trouble with security. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court is a court that handles, of course, probate and trust related matters, as well as guardianships and some other matters. Deceased probate estates, trusts, and guardianships are all addressed and filed within the probate court. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court is really fortunate to have experienced judges, an administrative judge, and magistrate serving on behalf of the court system. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court maintains a really robust and extensive website, allowing you to have access to court forms, as well as information about various filings, filing fees, as well as searching of the court's docket. As reflected here, you can see that you can access probate court forms. This allows you to look at the forms, analyze them, fill them out well before you get to the courthouse. You could do that with a Word document as well as a PDF. In addition, the Miami-Dade County Probate Court allows you to search for various informations within the court's docket. So here, I did a search of John Smith, and as you can see, a filing comes up and there are some hyperlinks to then allow you to access additional docket information. This is a really helpful tool. Rather than traveling down to the court, you can gain this information by simply going onto the website. The Miami-Dade County Probate Court maintains a list of the filing fees for things that you may file at the probate court. Here I've highlighted two of the filing fees that are most commonly filed at the court: the opening of a probate estate as well as opening a guardianship file. Now, this doesn't tell the whole story, and to really understand the expenses related to the various probate-related matters, please contact your probate attorney or the probate court to have a full understanding of the filing fees as well as any legal expenses you may incur. The state of Florida maintains comprehensive statistics relative to the filings that are occurring throughout its state in each county court system. As reflected in this particular graph, you can see that filings and dispositions from the year 2009 all the way through 2019. On the far right side, you'll see that that dark blue line represents the filings that have occurred statewide, representing over 133,000. That pink line on the far right reflects that 128,000 dispositions. These are matters that are disposed of within the probate court system, Florida-wide, in 2018-19. And as you can see by the trend lines, it has gradually increased year to year. This particular table reflects statewide probate filings. As you can see, probate-related matters represented 59,000, or a little more than 59,000 total filings. For trust, that represented about 940, and guardianships representing over 7,900. Tremendous amount of filings statewide. This particular graph represents the by category or file type. So here, probate represents a little short of 50% of all the filings statewide in Florida, and guardianships a little less than 6%. Commitment Act files represent about 44%. This particular table represents Miami-Dade in particular. Miami-Dade is a very busy court system, and it is busy because it's a reflection of the population upon which the county sits. Here you can see that over 7,100 probate files were filed in Miami-Dade, guardianships representing over 1,000, and over 13,700 total filings occurring within Miami-Dade County. A very busy court system. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate-related matters. If you have a question about the Miami-Dade County Probate Court or want to speak to a probate lawyer in Florida, contact us at 833-PROBATE or visit us at theprobatepro.com.